The latest on severe weather affecting parts of the United States, all times local. 7:05 a.m. Forecasters say strong storms that swept through parts of Texas and Oklahoma are just the beginning of what's expected to be a busy week of severe weather. The Storm Prediction Center in Norman, Oklahoma, says the storm system that struck the southern plains on Sunday will take aim Monday at Mississippi Valley and Ohio Valley states. Forecasters say damaging winds and large hail are the biggest threats Monday, particularly in western Kentucky, northern Mississippi and western Tennessee, including the Memphis area. Bad weather is again in the forecast Tuesday and Wednesday in Texas, Arkansas, and Oklahoma. On Sunday, forecasters received a report of a tornado in Ada, Oklahoma, about 65 miles southeast of Oklahoma City, but no substantial damage has been reported. 1 a.m. Large hail and strong winds hit parts of Texas and Oklahoma as the storm system rolled through the southern plains. Heavy rains also occurred during Sunday's storms, and video from KWTV showed a funnel cloud near Ada, Oklahoma, about 70 miles southeast of Oklahoma City. Denton, Texas, police told the Dallas Morning News that hail up to the size of softballs fell on the area. The National Weather Service issued multiple storm advisories throughout the day Sunday. The severe weather happened as residents in the Deep South cleared branches and worked to restore power from earlier weekend storms. A tornado destroyed 4 mobile homes and damaged others near Cato, Arkansas, late Friday night. In northwest Louisiana, sheriff's officials said a church was destroyed by an apparent tornado, though no injuries were reported.